This. Okay, well, this is the new Chicken Chalet, shall we call it. We've got kind of like a compost pile going right here for now that we'll be breaking down later. But pretty well done. If you can see in the background there, that is Treasure Mountain. So we have about 150 acres between us or so, but anyway, so kind of struggling to get things put away, but I had to get fresh straw and stuff to lay down. So, good morning, girls. Good morning. Let's get you all out. Let's see if I can get this one open. There you go, wide open spaces. You've got a massive yard to play in. Let's see how we're doing for eggs today. Turn on the light here, I guess that helps. So we've got, these are just hand carved. I don't know if you can see. They're just wood to kind of help get them laying again. That's a real one. Do you mind? Do you mind? And I don't see anything in there. Do you mind, sweetheart? So this is what we have going for now. They can run out and play all they want all day long. And they seem to be doing pretty good, so we're happy about that. Okay, I had to cut it off. I actually had 2 dead field mice in there. I probably should have showed you just to show the reality of life. But so we have our old one that, you know, just gets filled up with straw because we don't have a way to hang it. So right now I'm just using a bucket, plus I can put a little bit of warm water in it and not fill it very full. That way I don't have to really worry about it freezing, because it does get mighty chilly here. And girls are running. They have a really big area and some beautiful views to hang out in all day. And I have a pretty decent sized garden area, garden footprint area that we can utilize for the summer. Remember, I keep talking about layering, so having your food preps plus the food in the stores, you know, isn't very good for you. Now we also have this, as you can tell, it's kind of all ripped up and not in the best of shape, but that can be fixed. So that will give us a lot of opportunities to grow a little more. You can see the previous owners did have stuff in here. I'm pretty sure these were all tomatoes. That's what it appears. But so there's some good opportunities that will be coming for us down the road. One thing I've been noticing, and I don't know if you can see it, but we have bunnies everywhere around here. Pretty much at every tree. I don't know if the camera is even picking it up. And so what they're doing is they make the little holes around all the trees because they go underground. There's some digging going on. And anyway, every so often you'll see one pop up one side and out the other. And I mean, I don't even know what they do, but they're very busy. It's everywhere. I've seen a massive white one and a white and black one, although I'm pretty sure my dogs might have been scaring them off. I haven't seen them yet this morning. So anyway, okay guys, so that's about it for today. It's just a quick update, and I really just want to wish everybody a really Merry Christmas, and just love your family, praise Jesus, and just be good to one another. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Bye.